Hello and welcome back to Info. In this video, I will show you how to install WhatsApp without Play Store on TCL phone. Let's begin. So, we do not go into the Play Store. Maybe you can't for whatever reason, it's not my problem. Instead, we want to go to the browser. It doesn't really matter which browser, anything will work. So after we basically go through the process, blah 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 blah, we want to reject everything, we are now in the browser. In here, we want to simply start typing in WhatsApp, download. And as you can see, we do have an official whatsapp.com site. So we want to click on it. And as you can see, we have the mobile/tablet version, and we could get this button to get it on Google Play, but of course, we don't want it. Instead, we want to download WhatsApp directly. We are now downloading a file, and after the file stops downloading, we'll be able to open it. So we hit open. But for our security, our phone currently isn't allowed to install unknown apps from the source. So we click Settings. We simply go with Allow from the source, and now we can install our application. WhatsApp is installing, and once it's done installing, we'll be able to simply open or click Done. Right, like I said. So we can hit Done, and as you can see, we do have a nice WhatsApp, and of course it works just like a normal WhatsApp would from official Play Store. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.